In today's world, people are sizing down, not only in their homes, but also in their pets. Joining me here today is Dr. Hentz. He's our resident veterinarian. He's here to talk about how to take care of these wonderful little animals. These are my 4 baby girls. Dr. Hentz, let's talk about carrying these dogs around. Many celebrities carry these little puppies around as if they're kind of little accessory pieces. And I do like to dress mine up, but I don't like to really carry them around. But when I do, I carry them around with something like this. It's a little carrier. Is this better to have and carry them around, whether you go in the grocery store or whatever?
Well, I know that they love the attention and we don't want them close to us, but from a safety standpoint, that type of thing right there is much safer and better and more comfortable actually for longer times out. It's very versatile. I mean, it's for on the go, in the car, going to the vet, going to the groomer.
Well, we see celebrities carrying these little dogs around, and if they dropped them, what would happen to them?
Well, you know, there is a big risk of trauma. When you're this small, 3 or 4 foot's a long way, and so it could be anything from a fracture to even worse, even head trauma.
Now, could they die if I dropped them in the wrong place?
Yes, they could.
So even though you're in a rush, stop and think, pick this up and put them in it. Chances are they'll live a lot longer. Another thing is feeding them. I see you brought some bite-sized food here. It's important that they get the little bites, right?
Well, I think that the smaller size is easier for them to digest and also to chew.
Wonderful.
Foods nowadays for pets have become so much more specific and sophisticated, and so yeah, there's foods that are manufactured just for the toy breed dogs.
I do know that I've been told that their sugar source is very important. Is that really necessary for the rest of their life to have some kind of sugar source?
Well, especially as babies, they can get hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar, and that can, lead to them being lethargic or even loss of balance and even seizures in worst cases. You know, it's very good to have a sugar source, Karo syrup, Nutrical, some sort of quick sugar source.
What about grooming and dental? Is this really necessary for a little teacup breed?
You know, the teacup breeds, they've got shallower rooted teeth and thinner enamel than larger dogs just from a matter of size. So they tend to get periodontal disease much quicker and earlier in life. And so very important to start them at a very young age getting used to dental hygiene such as teeth brushing especially and things of that nature.
Okay, another thing, Dr. Hentz, is I like to dress my dogs. Is it okay to put clothes on these dogs? I mean, I see a lot of people dressing them, all the clothes available, but is it okay to dress them? Is this okay? Because a lot of people think, oh, this might be over the edge.
Absolutely, they don't mind and they love it, and it's helpful during cold times.
What do we look for as they get older and they age? Is there signs that they could have hereditary problems?
Well, you know, from a hereditary standpoint, they could be born with, a very common thing would be patellar luxations, which is a disorder of their knee joint. Mm-hmm. And if you see that the small breed dog that your pet is having a hard time using a back leg, something you might want to consult your veterinarian about.
Wonderful. This is great information, Dr. Hentz. Thanks for being with us today. By the way, guys, check out our website for all more information about these little teacup breeds. In the meantime, that's keeping life simple. I'm Susie Homemaker. We'll see you back here next time.